Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 3 Square and Square Roots exercise 3C question number 3 and parts 5 to 8. First one, the fifth part now. We are beginning from part 5. It is 789. So what are we supposed to do? We will make one pair here, add the decimal point, add 3 periods, right? The question is the same, nothing has changed. One more. And now make the pairs here also. This one and this one. Okay, so 2 decimal places we have to correct it to the square root. The square root has to be corrected to 2 decimal places. Therefore, we've added 3 periods in this, and periods consist of 2 zeros. Now see, and we have added after the decimal point. This we all know. Now let's quickly calculate the square root. This will be 2, 4, 3, bring down 89. Okay, double of 2 becomes 4. Now see what number can we take over here. So let's try 48, 4 and 6, 8, 4, 32 and 6, 3, 84. This is the nearest. Let's go 48 here, 8 here. 8 8s are 4 and 6. 8 4s are 32 and 6 that we've already calculated. 384, which is 5. Now see, decimal point has come, so we will put a decimal point over here. Bring down this next 0. Now double of 28, or just add your 8 to 48, which is 56. You can see, even if I will take 1, that will become 561. This is 500, so we cannot take 1. Therefore what I will do is I will increase 1 0 here and increase 1 0 here, right, and bring down the next pair. Now 560 and your 50,000. Let's think of any number that we can take here that will cut this thing exactly. So see, let's try 560 it is. So let's try 8 is okay, this is going to be 4, this will be 6, 8, 4, 44. Let's check if this will go by 9 also. 8, 4 and 5. 9 5s is 45 and 5, that is 58 only, right? This will give us what? See, so 5608 into 8, that will be 44,864. Now next step becomes, let's subtract this thing. Here is 6, 3, 9 again, so 1, 9 minus 4, that is 5. 4 minus 4 becomes 0. Let's bring down the next pair now, and let's add 8 to 5,608, which is 5,660 in. Let us check if this will go or not. So 513600, 5616, and some digit we have to take that will fit here completely, right? So let us try 8 if that will work it out. 5616 and 8, right? Here how many is 6 and here 5, so into 8, that is 4, 6, 4 again and 5 there, so 13 and 1 here, 8 6 42 and 1, 3 here and 4 here, so 8 5 is 40 and 4. So let's go by this only, or let us check for 9 also once, right? Let's take here 9, let's take here also 9. So this will be minus 50,525, your 5 lakh and then 5,521. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 5 minus 5, 0, 13 minus 5, 8, 1 becomes 0, 0. we don't need that. So the square root that we get is 28.089. Let us correct this to two decimal places. 9 is there more than 5, so add 1 to the digit just before 9, that is 8. So 8 will become 9. 28.09 becomes our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. Now let's see the next one. This is the sixth part. It is 6153. Again, take decimal point, add 3 periods, 1 2 3, make the pairs here also 1 and 2. Let's quickly calculate the square root. 61 is there, so the nearest square to 61 is going to be 7. 7 square becomes 48. Let's do that. 7 square is 49, not 48, right? So 49 here, and now 59 and 2 there, so 12 is the remainder. Let's bring down the next pair, that is 53. Double of 7 is 14. Now see here, 14 and 1253. Again, we have to think of some number that can cut it what completely, right? So see, 125 over here, right? And 14 8 is how much? 112. And 14 6, that will be more than 112, that will be 116, 26, right? Which is more than 125. Therefore I will take this out by 8, right? Because 8 is the nearest number. If I will take 9, 126, that is, then I will get more than this first 3 digits, and that will not give us the required number, right? So that will be what? Let's quickly see. 148 into 8. Let's quickly calculate that. 84. Let's write it down. And now see, 13 minus 4 becomes 9. 14 minus 8, that is 6. 1 minus 1 0, and again this 1 minus 1 0. 69 left, and rest is done. Let's bring down the next pair. 0 0. 6900 and decimal point here, because we have brought the pair after the decimal point. Let's calculate. So add 8 to 148, that is 156. Again, think of some number that can come here. 69 here and 15 here, first 2 digits, let's compare. So 69 and 15, so on approximately 69, so 60 will go from 69. 15 4s is 60. 60 is the nearest to 69. 15 5s becomes 75. We don't want more than that, so that means I will take here the number that is the nearest number. 15 4s are 60, so I will write 4. How many times it is going, that I will write here, and same in the square root. Let's just do the multiplication, and let's see what value do we get here. 16 1 24 1 5 2 22 and 2 6256. Let us write that down. 6256. This is the nearest one, because if I'll increase this even by 1, that will be 1565. 1565 into 5, so already more than 1000 will be added here, which will be more. So see, now subtract. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 5 4, 8 minus 2 6, 6 minus 6 0, and 4 4 done. Let's bring down the next pair now. 64,400, and let's add 4 to this 1564, that will become 1568, right? So let's just erase this thing real quick. Now see, we have 1568, again another number that we can take here, and I will use the same way. You can see 64 here, the first 2 digits, or the first 2 digits 64, and the first 2 digits here 60 is 15. So 64 15, divide 64 by 15, so you will get 60. It will go how many times? Again 4 times, and remainder 4. So we will go with 4 only, okay, because if we go below 4 3, that will be less. If we go above 4 5, that will be more than this number. See, 4 here, 4 here. Let's multiply to get our product so that we can subtract it. So this will become what? 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 3 your 6, 4 becomes 3, 13 minus 7 6, 4 becomes 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, let's end here. Sorry, let's not end here. This is not over. We need till 3 decimal places. So let's calculate one more. Okay, so add 4 to this again, 8, and rest will stay here as it is, right? Now see, again another digit we have to take. So let's quickly take it. So we will do what? We will bring down the next pair now. So the last pair that is left, 16, 64 and 00. Now here we'll take a number, let's see, 15 here and 16 over here, right? So let's see, 5 and 6 here, 6 here. So let's go, this will go by how many times? 1 times, because you can see 16 goes how many times by 15? Your 1 times, right? 1 remainder will be there. So 1 here, 1 here. So let's quickly subtract. 15, 6, 88 and 1. Okay. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 8, 1, 13 minus 8, 5, 5, 15 minus 6 becomes 9, 5 minus 4, 0, 0, 0, right? So this is done. Now we will stop. So see, the square root is 78.441, which is 78.44. When you round it off to 2 decimal places, you get 78.44, and that is your answer. Let's move on to the next part. 12.14595. Make the pairs accordingly. Next step is to calculate. So let's calculate the square root, right? We will not add any periods here because already 3 periods are there. 12 here, so nearest to 12 becomes 3 square, that is 9, 3 here. Bring down next number, 14, decimal point has come here, so put it here also. 314, double of 3 is 6. Now see, 6 and 31. So this will go how many times? 5 times, because it may or may not go 5 times, it can be less than that. But it is approximate, near idea, right? See, 31 and 6. So 30 goes by 6 5 times, and 31 is there, so 1 will be left in the remainder. So I'll take here 5 just to check. Let us check it if it will be correct or not. Number that will definitely be less than 5, only 4. So 16. Okay, let's take it to 56. 4 here, 4 here. How much will be left? 14 minus 6, 8, 10 minus 5, 5. That's it. Next step is bring down this 59. And 34, double of 34 is 68. Now see, 68 here and 58, 59, 5859 over here. Let's take, see, 56 and 6. 68, 58 if I compare. 68, 58 if I'll compare, that will be what? Not valid, because 58 is less than 68, we cannot divide. But if I'll take 6 here and 58 here, 1 digit, 2 digits here, okay, that will be what? See, 58 and 6, so it will go maximum 9 times, because we know 6 into 9, right, that is 54. So that will be it. But you can see, let's try and let's check. If I'll take 689, it may or may not be less than this, right? 9 is 72 and 1 8 and 8 here. 9 6 is 54 and 8 62, which is coming more. So what I will take, the number below this, right, that is 688 and 8 here, 4 and 6 here, 70 and 7 here, 8 6 are 48 and 7 55. Let's take that down. This will be 5504. Let us subtract 5 here, 5 here, 3 here, 0. Let's bring down 56 now. Now 35,556 here and 34 here, 8 here, 8. Now add 8 to this, that will be what? 696. Let's take the last number that we can take. Again, 69, 35 we cannot compare, but 6 and 35 we can compare. How many times will this go? 35 and 6. So that this will go by 5. 35 and 6 here. So 6 5s is 30. 5 will be left. So let's take 5. If it is correct, it may not be correct also. Let us check. 5 to 1825. Let's subtract. We'll have 1, 3, 15 minus 8 is 9. Okay, 15 minus 8 is 9, and 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 3 0. 931 left here in the end, and here we have 5, here also 5. Now let me erase all that. Now that will be what? 3.485. Let's round it off. This will become 3.49. That becomes our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. Let's see the next one. It is the 8th part, right? We have got what? 324.485. Again, make these pairs, but here you can see only one period is there. So I want 2 more periods, then I'll add 2 more zeros. So you can see all the pairs I've made, and now let's find the square root from the periods that we've made. 3 here, so 3 will go by 1, 1, 1 minus 2 here, bring down 24, double of 1, 2. Okay, now see 2 and 22 over here, that will be your 10 times 11 times this will go, but we cannot take 11, right? So either we'll take 9, that is the smallest one, or we'll take 8, that is going to be near to it. So 8, if I'll take 8, right, if I'll take 8 is a 64 and 6 there, 8 into 2, 16 and 6, 22. You can see also sometimes this technique can also work, that you see it by the last digits. If it is cutting completely, sometimes it can work. 8 into 8, 4, 6, 8 into 16 and 8, 8. Now 2, 2, 4, 0. Bring down the decimal point, not the decimal point. Put the decimal point here in the square root. Bring down the next pair, that is 48. Double of 18. Double of 18 is 36. You can clearly see we have 36 and 48 here. Any number I'll take will be more than 48. So what I'll do? Add 1 0 here, add 1 0 here, bring down 50, 360, 4850. Now see, 36 here, 48 here. One time it will go, right? So let us take 1 only, just for our convenience. Let us check if this will go by 2 or not. I think it's going to be more only. So yeah, it's going to be more, so I was correct. We'll go with 1 only, nothing else, right? 1 1, we'll have 3601. Now see here, 10 minus 1 becomes 9, 4 minus 0 4, 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 3 1. Done. Now the next pair, that is 0 0, and add 1 to this, or you can double this, which is 3602. Again a number here that will just cut this thing completely, right? So let's see, 3602 here and 1249 here. Not completely it will cut it, but let's try by 4, because and your 3 here will take. So 12 goes how many times by 3? 4 times. So approximate value, let's take 16, coming more than the number. You can see 12 your 1,24,900 and you have 1,44,096. This is more. So what I will do, I'll take 3, that is the number just before 4. That will be 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 6 18, 1 carried here, 3 into 3 9 and 1 10. Now subtract 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 6 3, 8 minus 0 8, 14 minus 8 6, 2 becomes 1, 16,831 left. What do we get here? In the end, the square root of the number, that is 18.013, and you round this off, correct it to 2 decimal places, so you will get 18.01. That is our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.